Pharmapal.
The long non-coding RNA HOTAIR contributes to joint-specific gene expression in rheumatoid arthritis. Ever wondered why arthritis often picks and chooses, attacking some joints more than others? Like, why your knees might feel like grumpy old roommates refusing to cooperate, while your elbows remain relatively chill. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of rheumatoid arthritis, a joint-loving villain, and a surprising suspect in the case of the knee blues, a long non-coding RNA called HOTAIR. Buckle up, science sleuths, because this mystery has a twist. Imagine your joints like intricately woven tapestries, each thread a gene responsible for their smooth functioning. Rheumatoid arthritis, the villain in our story, throws a wrench into this tapestry, tangling and disrupting gene activity, leading to pain and inflammation. But here's the curious part: this villain doesn't attack all joints equally. Some, like the knees, seem to bear the brunt of its wrath. So, what's the secret weapon behind this joint-specific attack? Enter HOTAIR, a long non-coding RNA, like a hidden puppet master pulling gene expression strings in different joints. A recent study published in Nature Communications decided to crack HOTAIR's code and see how it influences gene expression in different joints affected by rheumatoid arthritis. In simpler terms, they wanted to understand if HOTAIR was the reason some joints, like the knees, get hit harder by the arthritis blues. They used fancy scientific tricks on some brave, cell models, of knee and hand joints, manipulating HOTAIR levels and observing the resulting gene activity. Remember the tapestry analogy? HOTAIR, it seems, acts like a conductor, orchestrating which genes get expressed and which stay silent in different joints. In knee cells, HOTAIR seems to turn up the volume on genes that promote inflammation and joint damage, like a conductor cranking up the heavy metal in the knee section of the body's orchestra. In hand cells, however, HOTAIR keeps those inflammatory genes on mute, favoring genes that maintain joint health, like a conductor opting for soothing piano melodies in the hand section. To unravel this gene expression mystery, the researchers donned their lab coats and got creative. They used a technique called gene silencing to essentially lower the volume of HOTAIR in knee and hand cell models. Then, they analyzed gene activity, looking for changes in the expression of genes linked to inflammation and joint health. And guess what? When the researchers lowered HOTAIR's volume in knee cells, the inflammatory heavy metal went down. Genes linked to joint damage quieted down, hinting that HOTAIR was indeed amplifying their expression. In hand cells, however, silencing HOTAIR didn't have much effect, suggesting that other conductors were keeping the inflammation in check. This joint-specific twist is the fascinating part. It suggests that HOTAIR isn't a one-size-fits-all villain. It plays a different role in different joints, potentially explaining why some, like the knees, suffer more in rheumatoid arthritis. Understanding how HOTAIR and other conductors orchestrate gene expression could open doors to new therapies that target specific joints and their unique needs. So, the next time your knees feel grumpy, remember that there might be a hidden gene conductor called HOTAIR pulling the strings. Unraveling its secrets could be the key to silencing the arthritis blues in all joints. Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows, maybe someday we'll find the perfect melody to keep all joints dancing in perfect harmony. Thanks for joining me on this scientific adventure. Remember, the human body is a symphony of complex interactions, and understanding these interactions is key to unlocking the secrets of health and well-being. So, let's keep listening, keep learning, and keep composing the beautiful music of health together.
Pharmapal.